Ever wish you had a simple way to stay organized? Smartsheet.com helps you track projects, manage tasks, and work together with your team all in one place. It's like a superpower for your to-do list. Give it a try and see how easy it is to stay on top of everything. Alright, so hello everyone and welcome back in another video. I hope everything is doing well. Firstly, in this video, I will show you step by step how to use Smartsheet.com. So first, let's know what is Smartsheet. So Smartsheet is a super handy online tool that helps you organize and manage tasks, products, and terms. It's like a smart spreadsheet that lets you track everything from to-do lists to big projects, share updates with others, and stay on top of deadlines all in one place. Perfect for getting things done and working together smoothly. Alright, so let's come back to the top right and let's click on over here and try to smart sheet for free. Here we have some information such as work management that adapts to your needs, and here we have how it looks. This is the homepage how it looks. We have here project management, event management, new product development, capital project, higher education, construction, healthcare and life science technology. Then we have here other things like supercharge your productivity with AI, collaboration is a breezy, and we have other things. You can just right now click over try Smartsheet for free and you get started. So once you click over here try Smartsheet for free, you will find other page which is this one. Now just enter your work email address and then you click over continue. Then you will find here some other information such as your email, your name, and your phone number, and also your last name. Then you will find other page which is this one. Here we have welcome. Please check your inbox to activate your account. Confirm your email address by clicking the link in the email we sent you. So you have just to click here, and you will find just to go right now to Gmail, and you'll find here an email is sent. So here we have to start using your Smartsheet account. Click the button to confirm your email address, and you have to click over confirm email address, and then you will find at a page which is this one. You have just to create a password. You try the password for confirm the password. Then you have to click over agree to Smartsheet user agreement, and you click over next. Then you'll find a page which is this one. So here we have first name, project. Give your project a distinct descriptive name and select a starting view from our most popular options. You can change this at any time. So we have just to write the project name. You select here a view that you want. After that, here grade, Gantt, and we have board. And then you click over continue, and then you have to done and you answer for all the questions. So then you'll find here this page as you can see. So to use Smartsheet, you have started by creating a sheet to organize your tasks or project. You can add tasks, assign them to team members, and set due dates. Use features like checkboxes, status updates, and timelines to track progress. You can easily collaborate by sharing your sheet, adding comments, and getting real-time updates. Plus, Smartsheets lets you automate reminders and workflows to keep everything running smoothly. It's a simple way to stay organized and work together efficiently. So here we have how you can get started. Right now I will show you here the dashboard how it looks. So firstly we have here start a new project, program, or process. Choose a template or start from scratch. So we have just to click here if you want to start from scratch, or you have to start a new project, program, or process. Here we have on the left other options that could help you if you want to also search, and if we scroll down find here suggested and all workplace, and also we have a location and other things. I will just click over here to see start a new scratch. You will find here let's start a new product, and you have to select one of the templates. You have to select here if you want project, request management, business budget management, start from scratch. We have such as guided project setup, workspace important. Then we have here workup, and we have here grade, report, form, dashboard, timeline, Gantt, and we have board. So on the left we have other things such as here notification. If you want to search for something, you click over here and you search, and here we have the browse. Once you click over the browse, you will find here sheets, you'll find workspace, you'll find delete items if you want. So about workspace, you'll find here in the top right the button of create. If you want to create great task list, projects, guards, browse templates, important, Microsoft Excel important, Microsoft project important from Google Sheets, and then we have report, dashboard, and portal. Then we have here create new workplace, and you have to select it, and then you get started by adding the name, and that's it. How is it? So we have delete items, and then we have sheet as well, and you click over again create, and you get started by choosing the one you want, and then the last one we have work application as well. So once you click over work application, you will find here like that. And also we have here upgrade if you want this one. About workspace, here we have search workspace. If you want to also share it with you, or here we have just defined here your work application. Then we have here recent. If you have received some emails or some messages, then we have here favorites. Then we have here research management. About this one, you will find here this page. You have just here to select or treat this information, which is resource planning for every level of the organization. We have here balance workloads, track time with ease, forecasts with confidence, and you click request free trial, and you get started with this one. You can also here delete it if you don't like it. You have just right now to add your first name, then your last name, your email address, your phone, and then we have here what's your timeline for implement resource planning. Do we have here what's your biggest challenge with managing resource? Then you click over submit, and you get started with this one, as you can see. So it's very important to add this information. We'll add here my information. All right, so then we have here also select immediately this one, and here we have what's your biggest challenge, and you click over submit. So it's important to add a phone number, so let's just wait, then they will add a phone number, and you'll find here Smartsheet like that, as you can see. All right, so you'll find here other page. Let's just wait for it. Then also we have here other, so this one you have just to add those things that I added, and then you get started by this one. You find here my work, people, schedule, project, and reports. Then we have also here the option of Smartsheet work application. Then here we have, if you want to start a new project, program, or process, you click over here and you get started, and you'll find here this template. And then we have here launcher, and then we have here if you want to help, and here we have my account. I will just click over sign out if I want to go out, and we have my Smartsheet contacts, personal colors, application integrations, personal settings. Then you have group management, user management, plan, billing, and upgrade plan as well. So Smartsheet is a powerful yet user-friendly tool that helps you stay organized, manage projects, and collaborate with ease. Whether you are tracking tasks, setting deadlines, or automating workflows, it keeps everything in one place, making teamwork more efficient and less stressful. It's a smart way to get things done and keep your project on track. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.